So guys, welcome to a new bottle video. So I'll also be 1v1ing my friend in bottle. It's not that person I 1v1 in Black Sweets because he don't play bottle. This is actually a different person. So yeah, I will be 1v1ing him. Alright, so we're gonna 1v1 him here. User is already in another pet battle. So he's in another pet battle. So guys, while he's in a pet battle, this is his pet, okay? He's a diamond, so that's how he has 3-star pets. I know the 3-star pets because I have pets. I have like my pets looks different. I'm not sure. I think they might be like a 2-star or something. I'm not really sure. You guys can let me know in you guys can let me know if you want to in the comments. So while he's doing that, I'm gonna wait. Alright guys, I finally get to 1v1 him. Because we're not on call, he wasn't able to tell me when he was done, so I had to just keep on waiting. Alright guys, he's gonna go first. We're gonna see what he does. Oh my god. Those are crazy Damas. But you see that Damas, guys, that Damas doesn't really matter, okay? I mean, it kind of does, but, you know, it's whatever. What's about tag? That's what, you know, guys? Because you gotta think smart. Bro, we didn't do that much damage, bro. Alright, guys, we're gonna see what he does. The thing I like about this, though, guys, is that, like, he's always on bottle, right? So, like, yeah, let's see. Okay. Now, I'm just gonna do this because then I'll do more damage to him, and then he'll be low. See? I don't think he will survive my next attack. He might, but which one? Good thing I didn't. So if I do this, then it won't matter if he gets his power. See? Let's see what he does now. He's cooked. He's cooked, guys. Oh my god, how much did he just heal him? Yeah, and then I'm just gonna go for that again. Wow. Like, you serious? What do you guys think he's gonna do now? See? He already, instead of him just one tap in my water pad, he just had to go for it to use it. 5,099. Now you're cooked, buddies. So what I'm gonna actually do is this, cause then one tap. See, that's what he wouldn't been able to do. Wouldn't been able to just one tap, another one. Alright, now we'll see what he does. He does have different pets, but like, this is like his best pets, you know. I kind of want to like stun that one like this. If I get like enough. Okay, well it is a 60%, so like, yeah. Bro, he's gonna. Oh my god. This guy, bro. We beat him. Wait, he still has lights. Okay. Alright, well, we're about to win this battle, so like, yep. Oh, oh yeah, I forget. Okay, well, let's get one tap him, so GG's. Ah, we won! Oh, man. Alright, he wanted a rematch, so we can rematch him. Alright. Alright, he goes first. The reason how we met, guys, is I was 1v1ing people. Like, and you know that one thing, right? We 1v1 people. I was 1v1ing people, and then this guy was, I guess he just wanted to find me, so yeah. So then I'm just gonna one tap his pet, so boom. I wonder how many different friends this guy has in Boddle. Let's see. I've been noticing though, is he been getting all his questions right. Like, I don't know if you guys have noticed that, but like, I just realized that. Okay. Now, here's the thing. If I tag his elastic pet, he'll be able to just keep on using it. So, but you know, it's whatever, you know? It doesn't really matter. Also, from from the battle before, he'll be able to heal that pet. So, I have to be careful. Oh, you know? I'm just gonna go all in. See, it didn't really get that much ability points. Ability points is like when it uses its power. He's just gonna keep on healing it, bro. Cause I can't do that over 3 years damage. And then he heals again. Like, come on, bro. You cannot be more than serious, bro. Alright, let's see if he does that. How much he has my back? Oh my god, bro. And we're gonna do the attack it again. And now he can heal that one, so I might as well just like. And he was just able to heal that. Oh, are you kidding me? And then we have to attack that one now. So, do we want to do that? Yeah. We just want to do that. You get the damage booster, bro. I'm gonna have to get him again. Oh, alright, we'll see what he does now. Now the thing is, guys, sometimes people be saving EXP bucks, and I know that because I did that. Alright. Rennie, no one's gonna attack you. But I'm not attacking that one. I guarantee he's gonna attack the other one. But I don't think he's gonna do enough damage. So that's why it doesn't really matter. See it, that guys? Now look what I'm gonna do. There we go. There you go. And we just get that one now. No. Oh my god, he just halved. That's okay, because we also got like it. And I'll take that. Because now what's gonna be his next move, guys? No, see, like, oh yeah, because if I were to kill that other one, guys, then he'll be able to use a different one. Like he'll be able to revive him. I don't know if he has a lot of masters, anyways. No, so that's really better. Oh, but then he's gonna use a water one, bro. This is annoying, bro. Like, why does he even do that? Well, he happened to be okay. Well, it's okay. We're just gonna one tap that, anyways. Oh my god. No. I got that. How did I get that one, bro? And I lost. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.